Prompt libraries and frameworks like ReAct, Tree, and others are powerful systems that help structure how AI thinks and responds. For non-programmers, understanding these frameworks in a simplified way makes it easier to design prompts that consistently produce high-quality, logical, and creative results. Let's start with the idea of a prompt library. Think of it as your personal collection of proven prompt templates, ready-to-use formulas that save time and ensure quality. For example, you might have prompts for summarizing reports, generating social media posts, or analyzing data. Instead of writing new instructions every time, you can simply reuse and adapt these templates. Building a prompt library means you always have reliable tools to guide AI effectively. Now let's explore some of the most popular frameworks, starting with ReAct, which stands for Reason plus Act. This framework teaches the AI to first think through a problem logically, reason, and then perform the task, act. For example, you can prompt, think step by step about the best way to improve this marketing strategy. Once you've reasoned through it, summarize your recommendations. The AI reasons first, then produces a clear, thoughtful result. ReAct helps make outputs smarter and more structured. Next is the Tree framework, which stands for Task, Reasoning, Examples, and Execution. This is perfect for users who want to give the AI both structure and creative flexibility. Task defines what you want. Write a 2-paragraph article introduction. Reasoning tells the AI how to think. Explain why storytelling improves engagement. Examples provide reference or tone. Use a conversational style like in lifestyle blogs. Execution instructs the AI to deliver the final result. Now write the introduction. By following these 4 steps, the AI works systematically, resulting in more coherent and tailored outputs. Another simplified framework is COTE, or Chain of Thought Enhancement. This one focuses on reasoning clarity. You might say, before answering, outline your thought process briefly, then provide your final answer. It helps ensure logic and explanation are visible in the output. You can also build your own custom frameworks based on your workflow. For example, a content creator might use the IDEA model, inspire, develop, edit, apply. A researcher might use QSAF, question, source, analyze, formulate. Creating reusable structures ensures consistency across all projects. A key advantage of frameworks like ReAct and Tree is that they help the AI avoid confusion and errors. When you give clear stages, think, reason, act, you're essentially teaching it to slow down and produce better reasoning before writing the final answer. This is especially helpful for complex tasks like strategy, analysis, or creative writing. To apply these methods effectively, practice layered prompting. For example, use the Tree framework to generate a blog outline about AI in education. The AI will identify the task, reason through it, use examples, and execute all in one flow. Over time, this becomes second nature, making your prompts more powerful and repeatable. Finally, keep refining your prompt library. Whenever you find a prompt that works well, save it, label it, and categorize it, such as creative writing, data analysis, or problem solving. Over time, you'll build your own AI toolkit customized to your workflow. In short, prompt libraries and frameworks like ReAct and Tree make AI prompting more structured, strategic, and consistent. Instead of starting from scratch, you can rely on proven systems that teach the AI how to reason, plan, and act, just like an expert. Once you master these frameworks, you'll be able to produce professional-level results faster with clarity and confidence every time.